Welcome to this Train Chinese character video.
琴
There are 12 strokes in this character.
撇捺点横撇点竖折竖竖横折钩撇折点
Let's look at what goes into this character. This character is using the person radical.
人离
Let's take a look at some examples.
家禽
肉禽
Here's a character that looks similar. Pay attention to the differences. You'll find incredible tools for learning characters like this one at trainchinese.com and on the iOS and Android app stores. Just search for Train Chinese.